Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another project share video for you guys, and this one is a mini chipboard album. I've been trying to finish up that Authentique Cuddle Girl collection paper, so I decided to create another project with that paper. And I created this really chunky, really cute onesie baby girl mini album. So I'm just going to share that with you guys, and towards the end of this video I'll show you just where I started from with this mini album. So anyway, as y'all can see, I use those pretty papers. I did add some lace trim around the top of the little album for the collar. Also, I used a little bit of lace that coordinated with this paper really good on the sleeve. I added one of those really cute little plastic bows. And then I shared that with y'all in a Tuesday morning haul not too long ago. I added some of these really pretty metallic puffy stickers, and these are by American Crafts. I added a pocket right here to hold these cut aparts, and these are for months 1 through 6. And baby's mom can either journal some milestones throughout the baby's growth for the first 12 months on these cards, or add just a snapshot of the baby during that particular month. So it's left open for whoever gets the album to decide what they want to do. But I made the pocket so that I could add those little cards right in that pocket. And on the pocket I've decorated it with both this off-white lace and also this really pretty pink lace. I added the word precious in those puffy stickers. I added one of those really pretty prima flowers. I did do a layer of sparkle spray. It may not pick up on camera, but it's so sparkly. I also added the lace trim right around here. I thought that was cute. So you flip it up, and then there's another pocket on the other side, and the pocket is tight enough so when the album is standing up, those cards won't fall out. So I thought that was really good that it came out like that. But I added the same lace trim on that back side there. And then for this page I added a 4x6 photo mat here, embellished with a little flower. Being that there's only 6 of these chipboard pages, I did want to allow for some pretty nice size pictures for the baby, or you can do some little snapshot cut aparts and make a little collage. Whatever you want to do is great. So I did add those 4x6 photo mats there, and here as well on this side. And I also added the ribbon trim on each one of the pages, front and back. And I just pretty much decorated all of the pages except one the same, and then the first page. So just different pieces of that designer paper. I did distress the edges and added a little bit of watered down paint. I just wanted to look a little bit shabby. But I left it open. If whoever gets the album, if they wanted to add anything, it's open for that as well. So turn it over. There's your next photo mat, and here's your next one. Just really pretty. I just did those coordinating papers like that, added the flowers. I like that. And so on this page I did add one of the cut aparts that says so many of my smiles begin with you. And then I added this this puffy sticker that says sweet angel, and I added this little gold star. And then here's another place for photo, and then the back is left blank. So that is this album. I think it came out really cute, and it stands up like that. So it stands, so it'll be a great little decorative piece for the nursery room, or I mean, it's a great baby shower gift. So if you guys are interested, if anybody's interested in this album, check the link below for my Etsy shop. It'll be in my Etsy shop. So just check it out. Really affordable baby shower gift for a baby girl. And I will be doing a baby boy album really soon. My goal was just to finish up that Cuddle Girl paper. So thank you guys for watching. I will add a little clip at the end of this video, just showing you guys where I started off. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the link below to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.